How to order items on TEMU. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TEMU application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, scroll through and tap on the product that you want to order and you will see the add to cart option there. Tap on that and now you will be required to select the color, the size, the quantity of the product that you want to order. So go ahead and fill in the required details and then tap on the add to cart option, and with this the item will be added to your cart. You can simply then go ahead and press the cart option you see there and you will be led to the checkout page. So in the checkout page, go ahead and select the items that you want to check out with and then tap on the checkout button. And further, follow the prompts in order to complete the order processing, and with this, your order will be processed. So, this is how you can make orders on TEMU. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.